Mga Lods, are you a nature lover and you're looking for a new place to chill or to explore here in Claveria, Misamis Oriental? This place might be for you. Magbais River Falls is located at Mati Claveria, Misamis Oriental. So tara samahan niyo kami, let's explore new places here in Claveria, Misamis Oriental. Just along the highway at nasa ilalim ito ng tulay. The entrance fee for this resort is just 10 pesos for adult and 5 pesos for children. So, ano pang inaantay nyo? Come and visit Magbais River Falls here at Claveria, Misamis Oriental and experience a crystal clear water
Get out of my head and fall into my arms instead. So get out of my head and fall into my arms instead. I don't know what it is, but I need that one thing. Get out of my mind and come into my life. I don't know what it is, but I need that one thing, and you got that one thing. I've tried playing it cool, but when I'm looking at you, I can't ever be brave, 'cause you make my heart race. Shot me out of the sky,